iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Belouizdad 2. CAF Champions League last group match. Sundowns and Belouizdad will go through to the next round. Remember, this was seen as a group of death. Mazembe, Al Hilal, Belouizdad, Mamelodi Sundowns as well. We always knew it was going to be very difficult, but well done to Sundowns and Belouizdad for progressing. Obviously, we have a big matter of talking about a 2-0 scoreline here and whether or not it's going to negatively affect Sundowns going into the quarterfinals. Tukutuku Makhanya, the Pirates legend, also Morocco Swallows as well. Difficult one for Sundowns. I'm sure they're not happy with taking a loss going into the quarterfinals. Overall, how would you summarize their performance today?
Yeah, greetings to viewership. Hoping they continue supporting iDiskiTV. Yeah, the way he approached, it became a situation where they were trying let's try new combination, let's rest our players. And I still believe the combination naga Onyango no Nascimento is combination they always wanted that combination. What my season combination main combination about why I think why they're going a combination in a high team in terms of yes, a bit of mobility. So going to quarter finals, but from the case move over na le high thing over but of masses ya go last 80 then uhlana na ma top teams especially go Africa. So but if you look at a combination from a midfield from a midfield it became a situation with the understanding being I got developing there was no chances about creative so it began a fluidity immediately. So it meant good to game time, but you never know it might backfire on them because of now that's when you need to start building a momentum going towards the quarter final. So I know maybe you're trying not to risk injuries, but you need to build a momentum going to a quarter final. And again, the only chance that you are getting it's the last game. The last game, your quarter final against team it need a value win, and it's not a bad team. It's a good team. Belouizdad. So I felt good team. They could have still played a match. Itafana nabo Sirino, nabo Zwane. Make sure at least they've got the momentum going to our quarter finals. Ngoba etonovete young enjoy lentole, young enjoy. So the more utati skati futi ungadlalisila mo combination. Then you find yourself in a problem when you get to a situation whereby you need a result. We've seen the combinations they always brought a result in terms of mobility. They created scoring opportunities, but more they didn't create enough scoring opportunities.
Well, me and you both, we understand why there was a need to change the squad. The rest of the team, Mutso and Junior, maybe they have different thoughts about that, but we understand because there's a congestion in my fixtures. But there's a new reality now. Now we have to ask the question: ingaba usiphakamisile isandla Hlompo Kekana noMvala noMaluleka as a team, as a combination, because siyayazi uba first team uMabuwe, uJali, no Rivaldo. Now these individuals that played today, did they raise their hands ukuthi we want to play instead of the other guys? And maybe what could be the contributing factor in match fitness, or were they just not good enough?
Yeah, I think the contributing factor, I think it boils down to match fitness. Match fitness so but when it comes to Hlompo, the quality is always there. So I feel good team during absence Charlie, then it means Hlompo might slot in Google position whereby maybe Charlie we don't know how long is it going to take to recover from injury. So I feel good to Hlompo maybe I'm for the absence but as opposed to Machita, they didn't like raise izandla zabo enough ukuthi yeah because of it's disappointing ngoba sometimes these are the opportunities ebholweni that you need ukuthi I need to take this opportunity so I've been given an opportunity ukuthi angiqala igame so I need to pose also nama questions ku technical team. Yes. So it felt like amajita nawo afikile okay seswinile then they went on ngaleyo mood leyo but knowing ukuthi they are playing against a team ukuthi they are in serious need of points and they did what they came to prove. Mawubheka from first half igoal elikoriwe the build up Mamelodi Sundowns, we always know they start from the back. So Goss sharp tried ukuthi azama udlala middle, which is something suicidal more goalkeeper to velo uzama squeeze through middle ngoba anything abayithatha lapha once they pick it up you'll land in net in, which is something eyenzekile. So second goal again it shows ukuthi nakhona nabo onyango kudala bangadlala you can see marking from le ball le crossing ngoba mawubheka lapha it was about 5 players awe Sundowns bewa eseboxing. Le player buya from deep elithathe run from emidlelini yilo elikorayo so yena he was watching the striker only to find ukukora omunye umuntu so it shows ukuthi I game time is important. So maybe bayazama ukuthi bagama amajita i-game time sometimes it's not enough so that hence nama combination bewangajeli that much hence bewa futhi bewanga create ama opportunities amaningi but still the system abayi deploy the system almost a 4-2-3-1 system which mababona ukuthi sesifuna ama results second half mabaqala bayi change ngoba namajita labe wa apply high pressure especially high pressing mabaqala ngoba they needed to win so it's abaqeda ukuthola lama gola. Sundowns when they went back to your normal 3-4-3 system then automatically basically ngoba lamajita sewavalile they applied low pressure basihlalele mover then they know ukuthi I know I game down sesithole lento siyiselwa.
Last one maybe a word to the Sundowns fans. They played a draw game number 5, game number 6 namhlanje they lost the game. Some of them would want to panic. What do you say to them? Is it time for panic? Are you confident that Sundowns can come out of the quarterfinal maybe with a bit of confidence?
Yeah, mangi Sundawana fan I can start panicking because of mawubheka ama result they got it draw away you lose manje so awufuna ukuthola ku situation ukuthi ne game important especially kuma quarter final ngoba I mean siyazi ukuthi first leg and second leg then lapho uphumile so akusana ukuthi ama group stages ama quarter final so then also uba curious ukuthi who are you pitted against so you can imagine mabanga draw maybe ialali which is possible so ngoba top 8 teams so they should also be prepared ukuthi bahlala noma ubani ngoba if you want to be the best especially Africa you need to be pitted against the best and still beat the best so but in terms of quality what I love in Sundowns is they always impose themselves no matter badlala nabo bani they always try to impose themselves and they don't lose the identity and just start changing ama system bakuma system abangawazi they always stick to a normal 3-4-3 or a 4-3-3 so which ama system ukuthi they always want to be dominant especially in terms of ball possession so and also immobility ngoba they've realized ukuthi we don't have a height engako so we need to stick to what we know best and be mobile and whenever uba mobile gaming you stand a chance ukuthi njalo at least ube ku forefront entweni eziningi.
All right, so there you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns losing 2-0. They always knew that they won the group, so they could have. It provided them the opportunity to dabble with the squad, change. Monday they're playing. 3 days later maybe they might be playing again. So, but of course it is a concern to lose and draw your last 2 matches in Africa. You need to remember how to win or when was the last time you won. Coming into the next game. Otherwise, congratulations Sundowns and Belouizdad. They get out of the group now. Looking forward to seeing other group teams and the quarterfinals. iDiskiTimes.co.za, iDiskiTV on Facebook, over 100,000 subscribers now. WSB, World Sports Betting, WSB.co.za. Thank you very much for watching us.